my dear subscribers and friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Linkus Nova's product. Yep, but before it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yep, so let's start guys. As you can see, we have here Linkus Nova's product, and it's a extra mint flavor. Yep, this is cool. We also have other flavor. Yes, and this one is strawberry flavor. Yes, many people like strawberry, so they have a strawberry flavor as well. But guys, Linkus Nova's product doesn't have any side effect. Yes, so without any doubts, you guys can use this product, Linkus Nova's Lozenges. Yes, so we also have other flavors. These are only two, and here we have a very amazing flavor, which is sugar free flavor. It's a honey and lemon. Yep, so who just don't want to take mint and strawberry flavor can also buy honey flavor. So but this has a very good benefit that it's a sugar free product. So and we also have other flavors, these three flavors, and we have here, and which is orange flavor. Yes, and this product is also a sugar free. Wow, it means the two flavors, honey flavor and orange, the both are sugar free product. So these lozenges really affect very quickly for your sore throat or a cough problem. So you guys can use it easily without any doubts or without any other problem side effects. So guys, I really like these flavors. We have other flavors as well, but right now I don't have these flavors. We have a pineapple flavor, we have a quinoa flavor as well, but as you can see that I have recently four flavors, and I just bought it, and these products I have always in my bag. Yes, so these are really amazing. I just love these products, Linkus Nova's lozenges, and I just want these. And one thing, extra mint really affect your sore throat quickly. It gives you a relief quickly because it feels just like cool, and this extra mint is really amazing. And here we all have four flavors: strawberry, extra mint, orange and honey lemon. So guys, you should definitely like this product, Linkus Nova's so cough lozenges. Yes, because I like this, and always have it, and definitely we can have these products at from everywhere, like any bigger store or medical store as has as well, I think. Yeah. So guys, you guys will definitely love this product, Linkus Nova's cough lozenges. But please don't forget to tell me about these thing in my comment section. If you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also your social sites. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.